My name is Knowledge Matsovani Aphane from Hamatabata, Madigeleng. I was born in 1971, March 2010, and I was born here at Hamatabata, and I went primary school like any other person. I went to Tekhebu Primary School. From there I went to Mashianyani, and in 1987 is where I was doing Form 3 LRN about that time, and I went to Magapuji to do Form 4, Form 5, which is grade 11 and 12, and I furthered my studies at Zanian Technical College like any other person. Oh, football. When you talk about football, you talk about me, my man. I started playing football at the age of 9 here at Madigeleng, and I was playing for Kuduskop Solos, and at my age I was the only person who was included in the senior team by coach the late Chipa Rammala, and from there we grew up like any other person around the entire community, and from there we had some tag of wars at Kuduskop Swallows, and we moved on. We established our own football team called Jamaga All Stars. It was in 1990 by that time, and that was the best team amongst all the teams around Matabata. And there is the person called JC Rammala who bought us a new soccer kit, and then from there I was well known about football because I was the first person to play the 8th division by that time, and I also established a team called Fanang, Diatla Football Club, around 2005, and we played at the LFA. From LFA we went to Castle, we won the playoffs, and we played for Vodacom by that time. Now is ABC Motsepe League, and you know that football demands a lot. Around 2008 I decided to sell the status, and for Fanang, the football club, we were playing by Vodacom, at Vodacom by that time. I decided to sell the status, and I sold that status to Bahaha FC. And by that time I remember at the last game when I was struggling, and Kurish Mpahlela, I won't forget that man. He's the one who helped me during the last 2 games, but I cannot divulge on the public how did he help me, but he helped me to win the last 2 games, and we were not relegated. Look at Velimuta. I think everybody knows Velimuta. Velimuta is my child, in fact. He grew up in Mamelodi, and he saw that he doesn't have future there at Mamelodi. He came straight here at Ramatabada. I remember they came here to play at the tournament, and they lost at the first game, and Veli and Larry Matabata approached me to say, "Hey, Knowledge, we have lost the game, and I've got this goalkeeper here, man." And then I said, "Let them come, my man." And it was Veli Motwa, and it was Mbazo and Masedi. Those guys joined my team, and we won 2 tournaments during that festive season. And now Veli Motwa is a captain of Amazulu, and also #1 goalkeeper of South Africa. Mzanzi #1. Veli Motwa is my son. My man, we got a lot of support. Even people from Atok, they were supporting us because we were the only team that played for Vodacom at that time. We got a lot of support, and for the fact that Fanang Football Club is from Fanang the Self-Help Project, which is a community project, and I was managing that particular project, and even I'm still managing that project, and this is the reason why I've established Fanang the Football Club. So we got a lot of support. but financially we were poor. This is the reason why I decided to sell the status. But now I'm okay because I've joined Copperbelt Ladies Club, football club. I mean, it was really, really difficult. It's just that I love football and I got support from the community. There are some other people that were helping me in terms of transport and in terms of the players. People from Atok and around Matabat were just traveling by foot and by feet, and we were able to do everything. And the other thing is, financially, as I have indicated, that we were poor. You cannot run football without money. That one I don't want to lie. If you want to lie down, go to football. Football is training a lot. Now as I'm part of the technical team at Copperbelt Ladies Football Club, and my aim is to own a ladies soccer team in the coming 5 years, because I think that I'll be gaining a lot of experience at Copperbelt, because that is the best team so far in the province. I would say for these young boys, for them to become professional, they must be serious about football. One, they must run away from the drugs. They must run away really from the substance abuses, and they must train harsh, because if you don't train, you won't be a professional soccer player. That one I don't want to lie. Thanks, sir.